Ever wondered what EdgeML is and why it's becoming a hot topic in the world of artificial intelligence? Well, let's dive right in. Edge machine learning, or EdgeML for short, is an emerging field that is quickly gaining traction in the world of AI. It represents a significant shift in how we think about data processing and machine learning. Instead of sending all data to a central server for processing, EdgeML brings the processing power to the edge of the network, where the data is actually generated. This is a bit like having a mini data scientist embedded in your smartphone or your smartwatch, or even your refrigerator. That tiny scientist is constantly analyzing data, making predictions, and learning from patterns right there on the spot. And all this happens in real time, with minimal latency. No need to wait for the data to travel all the way to a distant server and back. But it's not just about speed and efficiency. Privacy and data security are also major factors driving the adoption of EdgeML. In an age where data breaches are becoming all too common, keeping sensitive information on the device where it's generated rather than sending it across the network can greatly enhance security. This is particularly important in fields like healthcare, where patient data is not only extremely sensitive, but also subject to strict regulations. With EdgeML, a doctor could, for example, get real-time insights from a patient's wearable device without the data ever leaving the device itself. In a nutshell, EdgeML is a game changer. It's reshaping the landscape of machine learning and data processing, pushing boundaries and opening up a world of possibilities. It's no wonder then that it's creating quite a buzz in AI and technology circles. So EdgeML is all about bringing machine learning to the devices where data originates, promising quicker responses and enhanced data security. Stay tuned to learn more about the fundamentals, advantages, use cases, and the future of this exciting field. But what exactly is EdgeML? How does it work? Well, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of it. EdgeML, or Edge Machine Learning, is all about shifting the power of machine learning from the cloud right to the devices we use every day. It's about running machine learning models on edge devices such as smartphones, smartwatches, even Internet of Things devices like your smart fridge or thermostat. So, how does it work? Let's break it down into three key components: data collection, model training, and inference. Firstly, data collection. In EdgeML, data collection happens right on the device. This could be your phone collecting data on your app usage patterns, or your smart thermostat learning about your heating preferences. Next, we have model training. Once the data is collected, machine learning models are trained right on the device. This is a significant shift from traditional cloud-based machine learning. Your device isn't just collecting data, it's also learning from it, updating its models based on the patterns it uncovers. This means the device can adapt to new information in real time. Finally, we have inference. This is where the device uses the trained model to make decisions. For example, your smart thermostat might decide when to adjust the temperature based on the data it's collected and the models it's trained. It's not just reacting to simple commands. It's making intelligent decisions based on its understanding of your behavior. All in all, EdgeML is revolutionizing the way our devices work. It's not just about making devices more powerful, it's about making them smarter, more intuitive. With EdgeML, our devices are not just tools, they're learning, adapting, and making decisions right where the action is. Thus, EdgeML is about making devices smarter by enabling them to learn from data and make decisions right where the action is. Why should we care about EdgeML? What benefits does it offer? Let's dive into the three main advantages of EdgeML: reduced latency, increased privacy, and lower bandwidth usage. Firstly, reduced latency. It's all about speed. When machine learning models are run on the edge, closer to where the data is generated, the time it takes to process that data and make decisions based on it is drastically reduced. This is because the data doesn't need to travel back and forth to a central server, saving valuable time. This results in a faster response and a smoother user experience, especially in real-time applications where milliseconds matter. Secondly, let's talk about privacy. When data is processed at the edge, it doesn't need to be sent over the internet to a central server. This means that sensitive information can stay on the device, reducing the risk of data breaches and enhancing data privacy. This is particularly important in a world where users are increasingly concerned about the security of their data. Lastly, EdgeML can significantly lower bandwidth usage. By processing data locally on the device, only necessary information needs to be sent over the network, reducing the load on the network bandwidth. This can lead to significant cost savings, especially in large-scale deployments where data transmission costs can add up quickly. But the benefits of EdgeML don't stop there. These advantages can also lead to improved user experiences and cost savings. Faster response times mean more efficient operations and happier users. Enhanced privacy means trust, and trust is key in building and maintaining user relationships. Lower bandwidth usage means reduced costs, making the deployment of AI solutions more affordable and scalable. So if we put all these pieces together, we see a promising picture. EdgeML is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that can drive significant improvements in speed, privacy, and efficiency. In essence, EdgeML can offer faster, more private and efficient AI solutions. But where is EdgeML used? Can you think of any applications? Let's start with something you may use every day, your smartphone. With EdgeML, features like personalized recommendations, voice recognition, and even photo enhancements are made possible right on your device, without the need for constant internet connection. The benefit? Faster processing, less data usage, and enhanced privacy. Now consider autonomous vehicles. These vehicles must make split-second decisions, and EdgeML allows for real-time object detection and decision-making right there in the car. It's not about sending data to a distant server and waiting for a response. No, the car itself becomes the decision-maker, enhancing safety and efficiency. In healthcare, EdgeML is a game-changer. Wearable devices can monitor vital signs and detect irregular patterns in real time, potentially saving lives by alerting users or medical professionals to potential health issues. EdgeML also assists in medical imaging, where it can identify anomalies in scans and X-rays immediately, aiding in quicker diagnosis. And let's not forget Industrial Internet of Things, or IoT. EdgeML helps in predictive maintenance of equipment, identifying potential issues before they become serious problems, saving time and resources. It's also used in smart factories, where it can optimize production processes in real time, improving efficiency and reducing waste. EdgeML is also transforming the retail industry. Think about smart mirrors that offer fashion recommendations or personalized digital signage that changes based on who's looking. These are not concepts of a distant future, but realities of today enabled by EdgeML. So, whether it's optimizing your smartphone experience, enabling safer autonomous vehicles, revolutionizing healthcare, enhancing industrial processes, or personalizing your shopping experience, EdgeML is at the heart of it all. From your smartphone to self-driving cars, EdgeML is revolutionizing how we use technology. So, what does the future hold for EdgeML? Imagine a world where every device, be it your smartphone, your refrigerator, or even your car, is intelligent. Not just connected to the internet, but actually capable of learning and adapting on its own. This is the world that EdgeML is striving to create. The potential of EdgeML is enormous. It's not just about making devices smarter, it's about redefining the very fabric of our technological landscape. It's about creating an ecosystem of intelligent devices that can communicate, learn and evolve together. Researchers across the globe are already hard at work, pushing the boundaries of EdgeML. They're developing new algorithms, new architectures, and new ways to train and deploy models on the edge. The goal is to make EdgeML more efficient, more robust, and more accessible to everyone. But the future of EdgeML isn't just about the technology itself. It's about the applications it will enable. It's about the new experiences it will create. Imagine a world where your smart home isn't just connected, but is actually capable of learning your habits and adapting to your needs. Imagine a world where your car isn't just autonomous, but is able to learn and adapt to your driving style. Imagine a world where your personal devices aren't just tools, but companions that learn and grow with you. The future of EdgeML is also about the societal implications. As EdgeML becomes more prevalent, it will raise new questions about privacy, security, and ethics. How do we ensure that our intelligent devices respect our privacy? How do we ensure that they are secure? And how do we ensure that they are used ethically? These are questions that researchers, policymakers, and society as a whole will need to grapple with. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI, it's clear that EdgeML will play a crucial role in shaping the future of technology. The road ahead is filled with challenges, but also with immense opportunities. The future of EdgeML is bright, and we're excited to see where it will take us.